How can you switch the front camera in Google Meet on your Android? Let me show you how it works. And if you are new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss these kinds of tutorials. So whenever you're using the Google Meet, you can get inside of the meetings, like join it, whatever, and then you'll be able to control the camera, right? So you have one camera button at the bottom, but this just basically enables or disables the camera, right? So you don't want to use that, but make sure you are in this page and you can click on the button in the top right corner, which is like this circular button with the arrows. You can click on it and this is what flips the camera. So you can flip it to the rear facing one and the other way around as well. So it just works with that one purpose. It gets the job done. But I understand why it might be slightly confusing because you might expect to click on the viewfinder right here and just like switch it in there. But instead it's right here in the top edge. But it doesn't really matter where it is as long as it gets the job done. So I really hope that I can help you out at least a little bit with this thing. So let me know what you think about it below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and similar videos like this, and I'll talk to you in the next video, so stay tuned and I'll catch you then.